Are you on an ERP journey?
The process of evaluating and selecting an enterprise resource planning solution, or ERP, has never been tougher, with the marketplace continuing to grow and evolve. With so many different solutions designed for different industries and company sizes, narrowing down your search can be a challenging undertaking. With no one-size-fits-all ERP solution, there is the necessity to research the capabilities, strengths, and potential weaknesses that each ERP solution presents. Whether you are just beginning your ERP journey or are further down the road, ERP Decisions can help you to navigate between the multiple ERP systems out there to discover which is best suited to your unique industry. This service is offered to you completely free of charge, and to register your interest, please click on the link in the comments below. Many thanks.